Hello, sir. I'm Michelle from the Ghost Elevator. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, would you please tell us your name and where you're from?
I am Sheikh from Bangladesh, Managing Director Doric Design and Development Limited, the renowned real estate company in Bangladesh.
May I know the name of your company, please?
Doric Design and Development Limited.
Okay. So this time you have already visited our Ghost Elevator manufacturing plant and head office. Would you please share your opinion about the factory and the quality of the productions?
I am very impressed to see the factory and head office, well set up, well maintenance, well management, and well behavior. All staffs are good, very cooperative, and they are cooperate us very nicely.
Okay, and finally, we have already experienced our sample elevator. How do you feel?
Your manufacturing plant, I see top to bottom. I am impressed about it, and the lift is good quality. It's up and down is very smoothly, and floor level is too correct. I think it is 100% perfect for users' security.
Yes, thank you very much. I hope we have a good beginning for business and for the long-time business.
Okay, thanks.
Hello, sir. I am Michelle from the Ghost Elevator. How are you?
Fine. Your company is big company. I am Bodrun, come from Bangladesh, Advanced Development and Technology. Our company is a real estate company in Bangladesh, a big company.
May I have any question? Would you please tell me your name and where you are from? Your name?
My name is Mr. Alom.
Where you come from?
Come from in Bangladesh.
Okay, and may I know the name of your company, please?
Advanced Development and Technology is real estate company in Bangladesh.
Yes. By this time, you have already visited our Ghost Elevator manufacturing plant and head office. Would you please share your opinion about the factory and the quality of our products?
Today morning, visit your factory and head office. I think your factory is big. Your company is big in China. I can try buy your product.
Okay, thank you. And finally, you have already experienced a ride in our Ghost Elevator. Would you please share your feedback feeling and riding smoothly?
Riding smooth. Very smooth.
Hello, your elevator. Now I can see your elevator is smooth.
Okay.
So maybe.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes. Sir, I'm Michelle of the Ghost Elevator. Nice to meet you. Would you please tell your name and where you're from?
I am
Mohammad Kishore, came from Bangladesh. I am Managing Director of the Foundation Limited. This is real estate company.
Okay. By this time, you have already visited Ghost Elevator manufacturing plant and head office. Would you please share your opinion about the factory and quality of our productions?
Okay, I see that your factory is a very good quality and your lift is good quality. I want to see your factory because lift maintenance is some technical problem. The water level, the speed governor is okay. No problem, water level is okay. Smoothly it is up and down. This is very important thing.
Yeah. So finally, you have already experienced about our sample elevator. How do you feel? Is it smoothly, quietly, and the quality? How do you feel?
What do you call this is smooth. The water level must be 100%. No problem. Water level is the big problem.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
I'm Michelle for the Ghost Elevator. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, myself I'm Introduction Student from the Foundation Limited. It's a real estate company and I am the ISO certified company in Bangladesh, right?
Yeah. So this time you have already visited our Ghost Elevator manufacturing plant and head office. Would you please share your opinion about the factory and the quality of the productions?
First, I want to give thanks to all of you who was giving us service full day, and I think from 2 days before, especially you and Ruby, madam, and after that I am telling you one thing, this factory is like so. And I visit from early morning and I see this is a neat and clean factory and the work is doing hard and the job is service level. It's my level, my level. I think this factory will come up, right? And you told me there are more than 17 countries who are doing like selling your product.
Yes.
So I think it will be sometimes it will go 50 up, right?
Yeah. So currently we have already experienced the sample elevator. How do you feel?
Yeah, I saw this is a good one because my company's director I decided to told everything. He's most experienced than me. So because of him, he told everything. So I need no need to say anything, right? Sorry? Oh no, it's okay.
Yeah.
Everything is okay.
Yeah.
If I saw any problem, then I told it. But I will see right now any problem. All business okay. From my side, I saw.
Yeah, so this time I hope it's the first time to have a good beginning for our business, and I hope we have the long time business together in for the Bangladesh local market.
Inshallah. I think we'll try my best, and from my side, my company side, I will try to give you order, and because of that, I had there are the dhaka, you know, the institute organization in Bangladesh. So we have listed 1,800 companies over there. So I know one is chairman of this committee. So I tell everybody, please come and see the board elevator and see their quality of good. I think in Bangladesh your market will high. More, you can sell more than this right now.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.